Today we are going to talk about refs. Refs are similar to keys and can be added to an element as an attribute. Setting a ref to an element returns a reference to the actual element. The refs attribute is used to access and manipulate the DOM elements such as managing focus, text selection, or resetting values. The refs can be used as in callback. However, the overuse of refs should be avoided. Let us go ahead and create a new file that is named refcomp.js. This will be a class component, so we will use the method RCE and create our class component inside that. And now let us just render an h1 inside our return method saying refs. Also, what we are going to do is we are going to create the refs using react.createRef method and assign it to the React element using the ref attribute. When a ref is assigned to an HTML element inside render, a reference to the node is accessible via current attribute of the ref. In this example, we are going to focus an input value that we insert inside our project. So let me include an input tag, and inside that we are going to use refs. So for input, I want the type to be text. So text, and then I'm going to create a constructor and pass props as we have done many times. So now you might be familiar with that. Then we are going to call the super keyword and pass props, and then we are going to create our refs. That is, we are going to call it this dot hello ref, and we are going to assign it to react dot create ref. Now what we are going to do is we are going to call a function that is focus to text, that will be called on our onClick function. So focus to text, we will assign it to this dot focus to text dot bind, and inside bind we are going to pass this. So we are done with that. Now we are going to create our method this focus to text. So let us go ahead and do that. So focus to text, and inside that I'm going to write this dot hello ref dot current dot focus. So we are going to focus the current value inside our refs. The refs method has a current attribute only, so we are going to display that and we are going to focus on that current attribute. Now let us just include our refs, that is access our refs inside the input field. So we will write ref and we are going to add this dot hello ref, and last we are going to create a button. I still want it to be an input tag, so inside that I want the type to be button, and I want the button to represent the value saying focus. And next I will add the onClick function here and assign the onClick function to this dot focus to text. So that is all we have to do. And now we are just going to wait a minute, I need to remove this export because we already have that here. Now we are going to add this component in our app.js. So now you can see that we have got our output, and as soon as we click on the focus button, the input value, that is the input field, is focused. Let me just reload and show it to you. So now it is not focused. As soon as we click here, that is, we get the cursor blinking on this input field. Refs cannot be used with functional components as they do not have instances. So that's it for today. Thank you.